YouTube. This week's episode, mind that cone. This week's episode is a Silverstone BRDC track day extravaganza. I'll be documenting, so a couple of times a year the BRDC host a BRDC members track day, and through our connections with Andy Merrick, who will hopefully get on camera shortly, our customers get access to this. It's a brilliant track day, really sort of low volume, all sorts of crazy things are there. You'll have GT3 RSs, you'll have Lamborghinis, and then you'll have like prototypes, you'll have classics doing shakedowns, you'll have all sorts. It's a brilliant day. We did one and we invited Shmi along, and he brought his 675 LT. And yeah, there'll be prototypes, there'll be LMP2, LMP3 cars sometimes they'll be doing shakedowns for GT3 cars, all sorts of bits and bobs. So I'm just heading in now. I've already seen Sebastian, my customer, who's brought his Huracan with him. Yeah, so I've just got to get through the gate. Here are the boys. Right, we are in. And as you can see, it is a beautiful day. Yeah, weather is looking fantastic. It's supposed to be dry all day. I don't even think it's supposed to be, very windy. But it's nice and cool, so as long as you can put temperature in the tyres, which a track like this you can quite easily, it should be perfect, because it will be nice and cool for the engines, which is how they want to run, and you can put plenty of temperature in the tyres, which is how they want to run. So overall it should be a fantastic day. I'm just going to go and I've come in pretty early. You got to come in early, grab a garage. I'm waiting for another customer who's got AMG GTR Pro, who's on his way. Steve, AOD Supercars, he is bringing the Mclaren, so he has stayed locally as well, so he'll be in. I think he's trailering that in. Yeah, so I will grab a garage and start unpacking, so I will catch you in a minute. Right, sign in is done, track is now live, everyone is getting ready to start heading out. They're going to start heading out, doing some warm-up bits, check the cars, towing eyes, everything like that is in. AMG GTR Pro 570S, beautiful. Right, they are all out. Let's do a little walk. A little walkabout. So in with us, it's beautiful Ferraris. Make our way down. Here's Andy, smile at the camera. Beautiful. Proper eclectic mix. Here we go. That's going to be an absolute weapon. Oh look, little Yaris GR. Here we go. Got Janettas. Look at that, GT3 RS. Bit of geo setup, ready for going out on track. Oh, this is back. Saw this last year, I think. Oh, look what I've just spotted that's out, ready to go. That absolutely bonkers. Was it that McMurty, is it? The crazy fan car, look at that. Absolutely bonkers. Look at these crazy things. Look at that. Huracan GT3. This was out yesterday. They must have had some kind of test day. And they must have just stayed using this as another little shakedown, maybe a bit of setup. So I think British GT are racing in Silverstone pretty soon, so yeah. Here we go, everyone. AOD Supercars Steve, here he is.
How are we doing?
Not too bad, little bit of selfie action, here we go. What's going to be coming around next? That's the real question.
That
Yeah, there's really...
right.
Oh, did it? What is
Yeah.
it? Is it TBR?
Yeah. That was alright, wasn't it? So you weren't out there?
No.
Yeah, I only took him over to come on straight.
Bit of Ultima action. Loving a bit of that. Whom. Whum. Boys are heading out again. These things look absolutely nuts. I bet that is absolutely rapid. Look at that, unbelievable.
These are what I did.
Boys are back. On board with Steve, AOD Supercars, aka all on deck in the McLaren. guys are back out again. Andy's out this time, acting in the GTR Pro. Yes, spent most of the day obviously looking after tyres, running diagnostics checks, things like that, just keep an eye on the cars. They all seem to be running perfectly. Nice. That sounds good. Audi R8 obviously got an exhaust on it, because those ones usually sound pants. Yeah, I'll get some footage of them flying around. Steve's shot out with them as well in the McLaren behind him, so got the McLarens struggling to start up. Nutcase. Look at that, cat's glowing. So it's come towards the end of the day. Cars have all been flawless. They've been out all morning. Lunch was at 1 till 2, and then cars back out again. Things are starting to quiet down on track a little bit. So but the guys are all out for their last go. Here comes Sachin. Beautiful. So I'll probably end the video there. What I would have done throughout the video, I would have sprinkled in some bits and bobs. There's been some ridiculous Mclaren F1 812 comp aperta was going around. More GT3 race cars than you can shake your stick at. A couple of prototypey bits. It's just been, yeah, like these days always are. They're absolutely wild. Yeah, excellent stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you for the next one.